आज हम तुम सबको आकाश के IACST एग्ज़ाम के बारे में बताऊंगी। उसके साथ साथ कैसे ये एग्ज़ाम को तैयारी करना है और सैम्पल क्वेश्चन पेपर को हम आपके साथ इस वीडियो में शेयर करूंगी। वेलकम टू माय चैनल ओन स्वाग। लेट्स स्टार्ट। सो एट फर्स्ट आई विल टेल व्हाट इज़ IACST। ICST एक आकाश के एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम है। मतलब आप आकाश के एडमिशन के लिए ICST एग्ज़ाम देकर स्कॉलरशिप पा सकते हैं। मैक्सिमम स्कॉलरशिप you will get will be 90%. The scholarship will be according to your result in ICST examination. ये एग्ज़ाम ऑनलाइन पे होता है। फ्रॉम क्लास 7 you can give ICST एग्ज़ाम। ICST एवरीडे होता है। आप ICST दे सकते हो फ्रॉम 9 AM to 10 PM। आपको एक परफेक्ट टाइम चूज़ करना है। When your mobile charge is not low, your study environment is good and lastly you are ready for the exam। मतलब आपका प्रिपरेशन अच्छा हुआ। नाउ मैं अब तुमको ICST क्वेश्चन पैटर्न के बारे में कुछ शेयर करूँगी। सो in the screen you can see that from physics 15 marks will come, from biology 20 marks, ये ज़्यादा है। chemistry 15 marks। तो आप समझ सकते हो biology is most important among these 3 subjects and your time will be 50 minutes, 50 marks, 50 minutes time you will get for solving the question paper। अब हम आपको ICST का सिलेबस बताऊंगी। For this exam NCERT book is very important। ICST syllabus is based on NCERT book। In class 10 book आप देख सकते हो टोटल 16 चैप्टर्स है। उसका एक एक लाइन इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड ICST का तैयारी के लिए आपको उस सैम्पल पेपर भी सॉल्व करना है। दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। आपको टाइम मेंटेन कर क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करना, प्रैक्टिस करना होगा। हम आपके साथ ICST 2023 क्लास 10 सैम्पल क्वेश्चन पेपर को इस वीडियो में शेयर करूँगी। नाउ आई विल टेल यू one bonus point. Bonus point is that every day the questions remain same। आप समझ सकते हो what am I wanting to tell you? Now I will share some sample papers of ICST 2023 class 10 on the screen। Question is an object is placed at 30 centimeter in front of a concave mirror of focal length 10 centimeter। Then image distance will be 15 centimeter। Okay, now the next question is where should be a point source placed in front of a concave mirror so that ray becomes parallel to principal axis? So the answer will be at focus। 3 number question, choose the incorrect statement among the following। The answer will be B, light cannot travel through vacuum। Question number 4, if the refractive indices for water and diamond relative to air are 1.33 and 2.4 respectively, then refractive index of diamond relative to water is 1.8। Next question is the dark circular muscular diaphragm that controls the amount of light entering the eye। The dark circular mass that controls, it will be iris। Now the next question will be angle of deviation for light passing through prism is minimum for, it will be minimum for red। It will be not red, yes, it will be minimum for red। Next question, a person cannot see beyond the 2 meter if he has to read the signboard at 4 meter away, then the power of lens required is, this will be minus 2.5 D, means option B will be the answer। Now the next question, if in an electric circuit the direction of electric current is direction opposite to flow of electron, means the direction will be opposite to the flow of electron in an electric circuit. So this will be option B. Option B will be the answer. Now the next question. Question number 9. The amount of work done in moving a charge of 1 mu coulomb from potential minus 15 volt to minus 5 volt will be, the answer will be 10 to the power minus 5 joule. Next question. Which of the following graph is incorrect for a conductor at given temperature? This will be option C. Look, the C graph is not correct. Resistance and area. So the answer will be option C. This is the incorrect one. So choose that incorrect one. Question number 11. It is given the circuit diagram. So the answer will be option C. Option C is 32. Next question. Question number 12. Which of the following is most suitable for the core of electromagnet? It will be that soft iron. Okay, soft iron is suitable for the core of electromagnet. Question number 13. An electron projected towards south is deflected towards west by a magnetic field. The direction of field is, this will be option C, upward. The answer will be upward, option C. Question number 14. Choose the incorrect statement among the following. A fuse wire should have low resistance and high melting point. Question number 15. The eye lens behaves like a convex mirror. Question number 16. Consider the equation CuO plus H2 arrow Cu plus H2O. The oxidizing agent is in the given reaction is, oxidizing agent means that is oxidized. So the answer will be CuO. CuO will be oxidizing agent, means that reduces. Okay, so the answer will be CuO, that is being reduced, that is called oxidized. Oxidizing agent. Question number 17. Which of the following is not formed during neutralization reaction? Acid. Question number 18. Question number 18 will be question answer A. The answer will be A. Question number 19. The products obtained from thermal decomposition of lead nitrate. So if we do the thermal decomposition of lead nitrate, we will get PbO, NO2 and O2. So the answer will be question number A. So this will be the answer. Next question, question number 20. Consider the Venn diagram. So the answer will be CX acid, Y base, Z salt. Question number 21. Which of the following solutions will have maximum hydroxide concentration? So if the, so in base the maximum hydroxide concentration is present, so with high pH there will be maximum hydroxide concentration. So the answer will be question number and option number D. Solution with pH 14 will be the answer. It will have maximum hydroxide concentration. Question number 22. Which of the following is not a natural indicator? It will be phenolphthalein. Look, red cabbage leaves, turmeric, litmus, all are natural indicators. Only phenolphthalein is not a natural indicator. Olfactory indicators show. This is present in NCERT acid base chapter. So they have different color in different medium, different order in different medium. This will be the option number B. B will be the answer. Propanol, 25 number question. Propanol is a 3-carbon compound with functional group. It has functional group of aldehyde. Next, 26, choose the correct option. It will be the option number C, conversion of vegetable oil into vegetable ghee, substitution. Question number 27, which of the following alloys does not contain copper as its constituents? Solder. The answer will be solder. Solder contains Pb and Sn. So solder has no copper as its constituent, so the answer will be option number C. Question number 28. The metal which does not react with hot or cold water but reacts with steam to form metal oxide and hydrogen is aluminium. Aqua regia. Aqua regia, this is very important question. Aqua regia is a mixture of 3 parts of HCl and 1 part of HNO3. So this will be option number B. B is the correct answer. Next question, question number 30. The pair of metals with poor conductivity of heat is lead and mercury. So now there is biology question paper and it contains 20 number of questions. So biology is very important. So the first question, amongst the following, shortest small intestine is of tiger. So the answer is tiger. Tiger will be the correct answer. Question number 32. The ancient harvesting structures in Kerala still in use today are. So there are many options. So you say what will be the correct option. I am giving you time. Yes, the correct option is option number C, surangams, and you can find this in NCERT book class 10. There are different names like ahars, khadins. These are known in different states, so you have to memorize this part. This is very important part for your class 10 boards and also for IACST examination. Question number 33. The tiny pores present on the surface of leaves of plant are meant for the gaseous exchange. Question number 34. 2 pea plants heterozygous or for round seeds and tall stem were caused. Out of 720 offsprings obtained from this cross, how many offsprings would have round seeds and tall stem? The answer will be 405. Okay, option number C. Option number C will be the correct answer. Then question number 35. This question is from chapter 15. Means that food chain, food pyramid chapter. Which of the following is artificial ecosystem? Forest is natural. Then pond is natural. Lake is natural. So which is artificial? Crop field is not artificial, so is not natural. So it will be the answer. Crop field is man-made, so it is artificial though. So the correct answer will be option number A. Next question. Mendel selected pea plant for his experiment because of following reasons. Except, you have to see that here the question is written except. So you have to read the question correctly. This is one of the most important mistake that students do in their exam. So the answer will be option number D. Cross pollination could not be done artificially. This is not correct. Question number 37. Which one of the following is not an environmental friendly action? Environmental friendly action means it is harmful to environment, not friendly to environment. The answer will be option C. Using personal vehicle instead of bus will be the correct answer. Next, the embryo gets nutrition from mother's blood with the help of a special tissue called. What will be the answer? Say yes. The answer will be placenta. Option number C. Next question, question number 39. Which statement is correct, incorrect? You have to choose. At first read the statements given. So you can see that all the statements are correct. Okay. So what will be the option? Question and option D, all the statements are correct. Only statement 1 is correct, 1 and 2 are correct, 1 and 3 are correct. So all the statements are correct. So the correct answer will be option number D. The site of gamete production, gamete formation in human male reproductive system is, it will be testis, option number D. Question number 41. In humans, the probability of giving birth to a female child is 50%. Contractive devices like loop and copper T are placed in uterus. In our body, nitrogen waste such as urea or uric acid are removed from blood in the kidney. The diagram is given. Correct option will be it absorbs CO2. Next, in the below given terrestrial food web, which animal is tertiary consumer of longest food chain? It will be option number D. Option number D, fox. 46 number question, which of the following is or are responsible for the formation of ozone in the high levels of Earth's atmosphere? You can say that it is given formation of ozone. So the correct answer will be CFC. Next, 47 will be, you can see the given diagram, it will be D. The egg is carried from the ovary to womb through oviduct. Growth of pollen tube towards ovules is chemotropism. Question number 50. Choose the incorrect option. It will be question number C. Question number C. The nerve endings of Q transmit impulses through sensory nerve. So the correct is option number C. So students, I have shared the Iacst questions with you. I hope that this video will help you. आप अगर चाहिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें एंड शेयर करें. Wish you have a good day. Stay happy, stay fit, study properly. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. This much for today. Bye students.